How do I add extensions to Chrome on my iPhone?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to explore how to add extensions to Google Chrome on your iPhone. This is a common question, as many people are familiar with using extensions on their desktop browsers but are unsure how to do so on their mobile devices. Let's break it down.
Understanding the restrictions.
Firstly, it's important to know that as of my last update in September 2021, Google Chrome does not support extensions on mobile browsers, including iOS devices like the iPhone. Google's reasoning is mostly related to optimizing performance and security on mobile platforms. This is a significant limitation, especially for those who rely on certain extensions for their browsing experience.
Are there any workarounds?
Unfortunately, there aren't any direct ways to get Chrome extensions on an iPhone. However, there are alternative browsers on the iOS App Store that do support extensions, like Firefox or Safari. You could consider switching to these browsers if extensions are a must-have for your mobile browsing needs. In the case of Safari, as of iOS 15, Apple has introduced the ability to use web extensions. Developers can port their existing Chrome extensions to Safari, so you might find the same or similar extensions there.
How do I use extensions in Safari?
To use extensions in Safari on your iPhone, follow these steps. 1. Update your device to iOS 15 or later. You can do this by going to Settings, General, Software Update and installing any available updates. 2. Download extensions from the App Store. Search for the extension you want, and tap Get to download it. 3. Enable the extension in Safari. Go to Settings, Safari Extensions, and toggle on the extensions you want to use. So, while it's unfortunate that Chrome doesn't support extensions on the iPhone, there are viable alternatives for those who really need this functionality. I hope this video has helped shed some light on this issue. Keep exploring, and make your browsing experience your own. Thank you for watching.